Alright guys, so I just dropped the kiddo off at school. It's about 8:30. I have to go over to a job. I'm gonna do that job. And then I gotta go check on the claw machine. So then we'll go check on the claw machine. And then I got a bunch of other stuff to do. And then I gotta go work. I got a buddy who needs some help on a project. And the project's actually an hour and a half away from home. And the day starts at 4:30. So this is gonna be a long day. Hope you guys ate your Wheaties. All right, let's do this. So today's video, I'm gonna combine some stuff. So we're actually gonna do a collection, but first I have to go paint something. So I'm gonna go paint this fence, and then I'm gonna go do a claw collection. Today's gonna be a long day, but here's the thing. I got a bunch of like projects coming up and some stuff that I want to start out, some fresh new, hopefully money-making projects, but I need capital, right? I need money to invest, so I'm gonna put in some long days, and all right, I gotta load up the truck because I need tools. Bye.
I'm searching through the labyrinth, lost in the moment trying to catch it. Microphone in hand, man, that means I'm holding magic. All it takes is some paint and a canvas, steady as the hand of an artist, can you imagine? Pull a star from the dark sky, harness the light. Take flight, avoid kryptonite, no drama in sight, just wanna live right, take mama's advice. Stay in for the night and write. Shit is about to get ugly, I should've stayed beautiful, making you love me, and this is unusual. About to get ugly, I should've stayed beautiful, making you love me, and this is unusual. About to get ugly, I should've stayed beautiful, making you love me, and this is unusual. About to get ugly, I should've stayed beautiful, making you love me, and this is unusual. Giving you all that I got and I'm ready whenever, just give me the pressure, I'm better when giving you all that I got and I'm ready whenever, just give me the pressure, I'm better when giving you all that I got and I'm ready whenever, just give me the pressure, I'm better when shit is about to get ugly, I should've stayed beautiful, making you love me, and this is unusual.
Can't fight time, but you can fight change. Might have to grow up, but don't have to go gray. They said one day that you're gonna have to grow up. They said it was a phase that you're gonna grow out of. Can't fight time, but you can fight change. Might have to grow up, but don't have to go gray. They said one day that you're gonna have to grow up. They said it was a phase that you're gonna grow out of. I'd be pleased to see that red face.
All right, guys, so we're all done. So now we're gonna go check on the claw machine. But first, we gotta get some lunch. All right, what's up? So I just pulled up to the market where my claw machine is at. So I'm gonna run up in there. It's been over a week. So today is Friday. So it's been 7 plus 5. So that's 12 days. So it's a 12-day collection on this machine. I have some new plush to put in, but we're not gonna do that today because we're limited on time, as we have to go put another 8-hour day in. Well, not another, I've only done one. But anyhow, we gotta go work the night shift tonight with our buddy. So I'm gonna go collect and I'll count it up and then we'll see where we're at. Oh yeah, guess what? I got Mario back. I brought him this time, but I did forget my backpack with all my cleaning supplies, so I'll have to come back. But I come here like 3 times a day. This is my spot anyway, so yeah. Frankie,
What's up, Sam?
how come the lights are off?
Look it up.
Oh man, what happened with the candy machines?
Still there.
Is he gonna let me have them?
Still there.
You never talked to him? Fine.
What?
Fine.
Why have light bulbs?
What? Oh god.
Kids, when
Plug
they come
it-
out from school.
Yeah, because they're getting off school. Yeah.
That's why.
Save energy. All right, so we're back home. So I know they usually write like best practices as a content creator is to make you wait to see how much money I got in this old here Mario bag, but I'm not gonna do that. We're just gonna do it right now. So let's go. Boom. So today I'm not in the driver's seat. I'm working with my boy Ken, dog. That's where it all started. Got our nest dog. Representing. Let me have the front seat. I don't even have seniority. Let me have the front seat. I think he's going to take a nap. I think that's why.
He actually doesn't even nap. It's crazy.
You don't nap, Ernesto? Really?
Yeah. Alex, if you're watching, that fool will nap all day.
Alex?
Alex.
Yeah. He'll talk to you while he could talk while he's sleeping too.
I don't care.
He's like, yeah, mm-hmm.
Was
Yeah.
I snoring?
What?
Are you still asleep? Wait a second.
You sleep with your eyes open, dude? No. I never sleep, dog. What, but... Sanded.
His hands are like sandpaper, bro.
It's when the professionals get hands like that. 9 p.m. Like 10:40. So we're getting ready to take a lunch break. All right, guys, it's 2 a.m. So we're wrapping it up now. We still got some cleaning up to do. We got to go through and vacuum all this out. We got all this painted, all this painted. We still got to do this. See the brown? It's like a brown. And we got done painting that gray, but now it's like brown. So then tomorrow we'll come back and we'll do all this. Oh, what's up, Ernesto? That's Ernesto. That's Justin. You guys seen him before on my channel. There he is. There he is.